we forget who we are. We forget about all the beauty that we have in our lives. We get busy trying to get somewhere. And we forget that when we are here, in presence, you are full, whole, and complete. Because you are whole, perfect, and complete. There's nothing to fix. There's nothing to fix about you. We just forgot the beauty that lives in our hearts. I invite you to remember who you are when you are in your heart. So in a moment together, we will breathe in the mouth, now to the mouth for the count of 10. And then we will hold the breath for 10 seconds. Deep but gentle. Gentle breathing. Long exhales. Breathing with ease. Very gentle. Bringing the air into the tummy. Softening with every exhale. Letting go of everything that is not serving you anymore. With every inhale, we bring the light, the love, connecting with your heart. Stay with the breath, deep inhales. Last 3. Last one, the last exhale, you hold your breath.